Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitching with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everybody is having a great day. Well, today is part 2 of my review for the VIP Cross Stitch store. So let's see what we have. Well, we have a bookmark kit here and we'll see what this looks like. Looks like it has 10 colors. Hang on. Get it out of its little bag. Pretty little bag. Comes with a nice picture of it. And it does have all the, pattern back here. They have a pattern down here. Not a pattern. A key down here and a key up here. And this is going to be done on plastic canvas, which is usually 14 count. I don't know that did it say that on the front? No, oh yeah, it does. It says 14 count right here. Very rarely are they in another count. Comes with a marking pen that is washable and a tassel. This is going to be a two-sided and some really thin needles. Looking to see if it came with any beads. Just checking. So this is going to be accounted. I would lose these needles completely or save them for my beaded cross stitch because that's just way too thin. Oh, it's like, what's wrong with this? It's all folded in half, but it has beautiful, beautiful bright colors for the butterflies. And you can fold it up when you're ready to put it away. But just beautiful, gorgeous, bright, vivid colors. Love that. It comes with 2 plastic canvases. They're nice and sturdy, and I guess you do one side and then you whip stitch it together, like this. You could probably put some cardboard in there if you wanted to steady it. This is, one is front and one is back, but they're butterflies. But it's just really pretty. And it didn't look like it'd take too much to put it together. I mean, not put it together, but, sew it. So it doesn't look too hard or difficult. And it says the design size is 5.4 by 18.8 centimeters. It's a 30 by 104 pattern. That's squares. And use 2 strands to stitch, so it has a lot of instructions. Not instructions, but at least the pattern's good. It's nice and big and easy to read. And you have a beautiful little tassel there. We'll just put it all together and set it aside, and then I'll tell you how much it was. Hey, it was $5.48. These bookmarks don't cost very much. I have to have a drink of water. It's been that kind of a day already. But yeah, just beautiful. Now this next one, it's kind of reminiscent of, what do you call it, Beauty and the Beast. This beautiful rose. It's got some mountains in the background. It's a DIY cross stitch. Let's see what's inside. And this one was $7.74, so it didn't cost very much. Let's take a look. Put that up there. Just beautiful. I hope the colors are just as beautiful. It does come with a paper pattern. It has the, I can't see what I'm doing, the product number. It's a 40 by 40. It's 129 by 129, so it's square. It does have all the colors running down here, the DMC numbers, then your symbols and the numbers. There's 24 colors, and this would have to be blown up. I mean, if you were ever going to use it, you could probably restitch this, blow it up and restitch it on whatever fabric you so desired. It'd be just fine if you wanted to do that. Does come with 2 needles here. This canvas is not serged all the way around. Let's pull these colors out of here. Nice, rich, beautiful colors. Hang on, I'm going to shake it down. My bad. Hang on. Everything's attaching itself together. Gotta get it separated. Hang on. Like getting somebody with long hair's hair untangled here. It does have a sticker that has the same product number on it as the canvas and the paper. But look at those colors. Aren't they beautiful? Look at that dark purple. And dark blue. Some dark teal blue. Or maybe that's a blue-green. And then you have what I'm guessing is 939. On 18, it's 939. This has 823, which is here. Does not have any, no 310 or 3371. But just beautiful. That color is gorgeous. It is 803. That'd make a nice sampler. Gorgeous. And we have some peach colors and a little bit of a fuchsia. Some light turquoise, or medium turquoise, I guess. It's not light. And then you have like a medium teal. Just beautiful colors. Gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. And of course, we're stuck into the needle. Let me fold this up. And put this up here, out of our way. Let's take a look at the canvas. It's not very big. Hang on, to kind of roll it so it'll lay flat. There we go. Well, a little bit flatter. Nice. Very well printed. Doesn't look too confettied. Not at all. You have lots of that dark. Then this is your focal point. It's very pretty. And it does have even the colors running along here. DMC, the symbol, and the number, just like on the paper. They all match. So that's a good thing. Let's measure out this canvas. It is 38.5 by 40.5. So it's a little short one way and a little longer the other way. It is it's 29.5, which is a little over 11.5 by 12. So this would fit in a 12 by 12 frame. But very well printed, very easy to read. Easy to read symbols. I mean, each one of those is a little over 1/4 of an inch. You know, thick. But very nice. 11 count. So it's very easy to do. Yeah, I like this size. This is a summer size, you know, it's not very big. You know, and it's not too complicated. With 24 colors, it should have some really beautiful colors up here, you know, in this rose and the background. You can see part of that mountain here. But just beautiful. Now this one, did I tell you? When I see it, I'll know if I told you or not. Yeah, it was $7.74. So that's awesome. Not very much, but there's all the beautiful colors. Just beautiful. It's all straight cross stitch. No, nothing else. But yeah, very beautiful. For under $10, you bet. And we got one more, guys. They're so cute. And it's like a pixelated picture. It's a 60 by 30. So it runs this way. And the gnomes were $7.18. Trying to figure out which side you open it on. There we go. So it's not too big. And it's a partial. Pull all this out carefully. Comes with this itty bitty small picture. But they're so cute. And I don't know if they were called something. Garden gnomes. Garden gnomes. I knew it had something to do with summer. with garden gnomes. I just thought they were cute. Just cute. And it does have a nice big graft. You might want to blow that up. I don't know. I wouldn't. This is all there is here. It does have a big key. You can see all the symbols. But see how this is printed very lightly? Yeah, let's hope... No, the canvas doesn't look like that, but this is pretty lightly. It's like they had it in a smaller size and they blew it up a little bit more. I can read it, you know, but I would want to have it blown up. But like I said, you don't stitch the background, you just stitch each one of the gnomes. I just thought they're so cute. And there's all their colors. At least that's printed there. And the DMC, and you can see the symbols. So if you had to use this, you know, it'd be fine. It does have, hang on, holding the product number down here, and it says it's a 60 by 30. Does come with an instruction page. Front, whoops, my bad. Front only, but it tells you how to start your cross stitch, how to do the cross stitching stitches. Not that it calls for all these symbols. All you're going to need is a whole stitch. There are no half or quarter or anything. Then it tells you what to do after, you know, you're done stitching. Now this also is not serged all the way around. It does come with 2 needles right there. Let's take a look at the beautiful colors. There are 29 colors in this. Hang on, trying to get it. But some nice bright colors. You have some golds and browns and greens. And even some blue and a little bit of a salmon color. And then you have some rusts and like an olive green, I would say. There's not a whole lot of threads, even for an 11 count. But like I said, it is a partial. So you're not having to do the background. And we'll take a look at the gnomes themselves here. And after I get this all wounded up, let me flip it over. So you see there's not too much stitching to be done. Just the gnomes. Now you could, I don't know how this is going to look when it's done. So after you get it all stitched, look at it, and if you think it needs some back stitching here and there, you're more than welcome. This is your picture, you know. Go ahead and add whatever you want. If you want some French knots or beads in there, or if you want some back stitching, go for it. You know, you can dress these up as well as you want. This is 60.5 this way and 30.5 this way. So it's a little bit bigger than they said it would be. And this, the actual picture is almost 54 centimeters, so it's like 21.25 by, oh dear, 21.25 by 9.5. But you know, you can take as much off of this bottom as you want. But yeah, I just think they're kind of cool. You get to do each one individually, and if you so wanted, hang on, let me get rid of this stupid thing. You could cut them and make 3 separate pictures. So there's the first one, and then the second one, and then the third one. But yeah, just beautiful. And they look a little confettied here and there, I'm not gonna lie. Like this guy, he's kind of confettied right here in this heart mess. But none of them take a whole bunch of stitching. I mean, I don't have room for a picture this big, but I would do them, you know, sew them first, get that out of the way, and then cut them apart. And then I would cut them apart and put them And I was going to see how tall they were. That's what I was going to do. So they'd fit in like an 8. I was looking to see if it would fit 5 by 7, but it's not going to do. Let's see, 7 that way. Maybe they'd fit in a 5 by 7 frame, you know. Some of them, because it looks like the other one's taller. See, he's almost exactly 7 inches. They might fit in 5 by 7. I don't think so. He's kind of wide. He's got this little tail thing going. But the other little guy, he's only like 5 3/4 by, trying to see the edge, little over 5. So maybe a 6 by 6 for him, because this one in the middle, he's kind of the tallest. I wanted to see something, and they're not even on the same level. This guy is down one stitching row further than the other two. So I don't know if that's for like the balance of the picture or whatever. But you could certainly frame them separately if you wanted to. And these were $7.18. Very nicely printed though, very dark. You know, compared to the lightness. Look at the lightness of this compared to how dark this is printed. But like I said, you can still see it. You just have to blow it up a bit. But yeah, you could sew them all. And I didn't realize it was going to be this big of a picture. I guess I wasn't even thinking, you know, size-wise. But yeah, I would sew them and then frame them individually myself, just because I don't have the space to put that many. And then you could put them in some kind of a, say, a green frame or something, you know, to denote that they were garden guys or whatever. But yeah, I just thought they were cute. And that, my friends, is all that I got from VIPCrossStitch. If you missed the first part, it was last Monday. I'm trying to straighten my camera up a bit. Now, VIPCrossStitch usually has free shipping over $69. They have a separate Joy Sunday section. They have cross-stitch in pre-stamped and counted. They also have beaded embroidery and regular embroidery, either on cloth material or on the what is that silk gauze stuff. And they do not carry diamond paintings. They have really good prices, and they have clearance sections as well, so you can always find something you're looking for. And every once in a while they'll have, I don't know if this is a year-round thing or not, but any of these things I'm telling you, as far as sales and what the shipping is and that kind of thing, should be down in the description below. Sometimes they have buy 4 get 1 free, so I don't know what they're running. You know, sometimes that varies. Sometimes they have a certain % off. So yeah, very nice indeed. Well, thank you, VIPCrossStitch, for sending me these lovely kits. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe, stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye.